Y'all, I always forget to close out my vlogs, and I need to make it a habit. So since I didn't close out this vlog last night, as you guys can see, I'm back at it again with my seafood. I'm about to finish it on up. And y'all gonna come into another day with us. So, like, what would it say? The next day. Right about now.
The next day.
But anyway, y'all, so I'm about to eat my seafood because it's calling my name. And I'll be back with you guys in a minute. Okay, y'all, so finally at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, we're finally making it to Target. Yeah. But yeah, so we about to go find some Fidget toys. Hopefully they got them, because you know all the kids out are trying to get them. So I'm going to go get some Fidget toys for that kid right there. You want some Fidget toys? Watch we come out with something that ain't a fidget toy. Watch now, watch. I'm gonna let y'all see, cause I already know. He be thugging us. This man here, he really be making us turn into simps. And he be talking about let's have another child. And Auntie Nadine, y'all might as well. Nah, we good. We don't need no ride. Cause yeah, I need a ride because he pulling out in front of people and stuff. But, yeah, I don't know. I don't know about all that. But anyway, we'll be back in a minute. My baby love passing here because he like to say, Mommy, look at the excavator. I'm an excavator. You see it? Excavator. So, y'all, we made it to Target. Now, this is my baby's favorite store. What's the name of the store, Duty? What's this store right here? Listen to me. What's the name of the store right here? Yeah, he been listening to me. Whatever. I know how to drive. Not backing up.
Indy, don't do that. Don't do that.
Not need to get a license back. It's the parking cricket for me.
Don't do that, because you know I'm good over the shop.
That girl was looking like, Mama, we might need to go ahead and back up.
You know how to walk in. I first came in for the other direction.
Yeah, now you want to give out driving lessons.
I can school you. My mama was DDS, you already know.
Boy, your mom was giving out license at the DDS.
You got my mama. No.
You know, his mom was just giving them license out at the DDS. Just giving them away. No, I'm just playing. She ain't play. When she was at DDS, one thing about it, she ain't play about them license. You was not getting them babies, and she was not playing with you. We forgot our mask, so we got to go in here and get masks. But this man gonna tell my child, I'm an old lady. Nigga, you an old lady. I said his daddy an old lady.
No, you.
Here, put this on your face. Put this on his face. I'm sorry.
Come here, dude.
Go ahead and put your mask on, dude. So he in here and grab chalk, sea life, slime, and all that good jazz. So we headed to go get some medicine. I just think those are the cutest little dresses. They got Frappuccino slime. It is? The big thing connected?
Yeah, the big one.
They got, I don't know. They got this. Copper slime, mix and mash confetti. And I think this one you can get out of ooh. This one you can get out of 5 and Below. This is cute. What you seen Kinetic saying? What you grab? What's that one? Well, this one you can build and cut it.
This one?
Yeah.
That's not for you.
You want Play-Doh?
Yeah. I want Play-Doh.
Play-Doh truck.
What Play-Doh truck? Oh, excuse me. Kingston, calm down. Got dinosaur.
They got fat.
And that.
Nickelodeon.
We done here?
Yeah, I think we're done here.
We're done.
And for a good bunny.
Headed to the front. Look, that's slime, baby. But I just seen this. So we made it to the car. Now we're headed to Five Below. So our next move is Five Below. I was trying to make y'all think it was a picture, but I forgot my hair was blowing. But we'll tell y'all, that seafood we ate last night and I ate this morning, baby, it just ain't sitting right with me. And he think it's just the funniest thing. Like,
He mine yet. I'm sure
when I tell you my stomach just started hurting something serious, and he don't even care, he finna still go eat his. Still finna go eat it. My stomach is hurt. It's hurt. Y'all know that big purr? It's hurt. Woo! My stomach big hurt. Big hurt. Oh. Oh! We made it to Five Below. Y'all, he correct me so much now I say it right. Five Below. Hot stuff, cool prices. Y'all, so I forgot to tell y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all after we leave here, cause it's a funny thing that happened to us earlier. So my phone just getting back charged, so that's why I'm vlogging. But we at Citroen. What you doing? I'm getting nachos. That's what I'm getting. We made it back home. This is my food and my nachos. So when you get nachos, you get a big cup of cheese and chips. Y'all. Hold on. I don't want to make no mess. But y'all heard me order. Got a chicken bowl. Trying to be rough. And yeah, so